At this time, I call it a momentous time for our nation and for our people, especially the believers in Jesus Christ. There is nothing that is very strange if you know the Bible. And this is what it says. By the prophecy of Isaiah, chapter 54, you won't be surprised, because if you know the Bible, you will have read this before. But now here, verse 4, do not fear, for you will not be ashamed, neither be disgraced, for you will not be put to shame. That's a promise for everybody who is hearing us. It says, like, for you will forget the shame of your youth. There are many things that you have done as a young person, but Isaiah is saying, by God's grace, you will forget all that. And everything that is coming now, your way, will come your way with you knowing they will come. Nothing will find you by accident. No. You will be ready for any occurrence, any interference in life. You will be ready for them. You know what? I am told that the fighters, especially the Roman time, the boxers in the ring, one thing that they worried very much about was the surprise. Surprise. Your enemy hits you before you realize it. He surprises you. Other things occupy you, so he surprises you by hitting you. Nothing will surprise a believer in the Bible. Nothing. All these things will come when you have known them. Now they are coming for real, but you have known them by theory. So you won't be surprised. You will know you knew them. He's saying, and within that time, you will not remember your mistakes of the past. He says he will make you forget the shame of your youth. Young people who are hearing me, don't die now, go to heaven. God does not need you there. He needs you here so that you can prove to the world that he is real. But he must be your refuge. He must be your power to live. Not cleverness, no tactics, no, but God himself. He says, he will never forget you nor forsake you. For I am your maker, he says. So I advise that at this corona time, you preachers stop preaching corona. Because corona is not part of the gospel. Preach the opposite of corona. The good side, the laughter, the joy, the health, the seeing things happen and fall back without you being affected. If you die now and you're a believer, it's not because corona killed you. You are destined to die now and go to heaven. Not to where corona takes people. No. That's where the corona can't take you. So believe God and keep rejoicing. May the King bless you, because at this time, only those who know their God will be strong. 400 years had passed. 700 years passed. And Daniel was prophesying in a foreign country. And he said, the time will come, our time means, when only those who know their God shall be strong. Knowing God is the secret of strength to live today. Only those who know their God. Not those who believe in him. No, all those who know their God in a personal way. All people believe that God must be somewhere, plus those who don't trust him. But you don't believe like that. You're not a general believer. You're a particular believer. A believer who believes God is himself, the way the Bible reveals him. And so, once you begin to believe like that, he will never leave you nor forsake you. Wherever you are, under whatsoever circumstance, nothing comes behind his back. He knows it. But why does he allow it to come? So that he may give you the strength to conquer. So that he may show his glory. I encourage you, believer, who is hearing me. And God will bless you today, because this is the day that the Lord has made. It has not come behind his back. He knows we are here. God bless you indeed. I am your friend, Joe Kayo. Amen.